Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss the problem related to the small concept. Before that, what we have seen in the last class. What is a mole? Mole is a Latin word which means heap or pile. So, when one molecule of any substance is called as one mole, okay, then the mole always will have 6.022 into 10 power 23, that is Avogadro's constant number of particles. It may be a molecule of element, or it may be a atom, or it may be a molecule of compound. Whatever it is, okay, it will have fixed number of particles, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles or ions or atoms, and the mass will be always atomic mass if it is an atom. If it is a molecular mass, okay, that we already have seen now, to find the sum of all the atomic masses of the atoms present in a molecule. And if it is ionic compound, it is formula unit mass, and it is represented as U. The same is for molar mass, but we have to write the unit in G. That we have seen in the last class. Now today, what is the formula to find the number of moles, okay, to a particular given mass, or it may be a particles? Let us see. Okay, yes. The formula to find the number of moles, okay, it is represented by the symbol N. What is the symbol? N. So to find the number of moles, okay, the symbol is N. What is the formula? Let us see. N, okay, let it be number of moles, okay, is equal to the given mass. What mass they have given for a particular atom or a molecule, that is called as given mass. It will be given in the question, okay, and by the molar mass. Actually molar mass will not be given, but the clues will be given in the question. Molar mass we have to find it. That is what we have seen in the last class and last before that. The molecular mass and formula unit mass the same, but we have to write the unit as G. Then it is called molar mass. Okay. So this unit also G. This unit also G. So you will number of moles is a constant. So no unit. It will get cancelled. Okay. So now what is the formula for this? N is equal to given mass is small m. Given mass is small m. N is what? Number of moles. Number of moles is N. Given mass is G, m, small m, by molar mass is this. So what is the formula for finding? If the mass of the substance is given and we have to find the molar mass, then the number of moles can be determined by using this formula. So number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass, and N is a constant. Okay, N is a constant, so no units, but you can write this many number of moles. For example, 2 moles means 2 moles you can write. So that is a constant, no unit for that. But here this unit is G. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the number of moles. Okay, if they have given the number of moles, and we will find the molar mass, then we should find the mass of the substance. Then the formula is what? M is equal to N into M. So if they have given the number of moles and we can find the molar mass, then they have asked the M value. This is the formula. This true formula you should know it. So if they ask number of moles, this is the formula, given mass by molar mass. If they have given the number of moles and we have to find the molar mass, then they have asked the mass of the substance, then this is the formula. So you should know this. Okay, first this is the thing. See, in chemistry, problem is not a problem. We have solutions for that. It will be easy. Okay. So don't worry. Chemistry problems are easy. Okay. These two formulas you should know first. Then, if the number of moles is again asked, but they have given in particles. For example, number of moles of particles they have asked. So number of moles means what is the symbol? N. Okay. Let it be. If they have given the particles, what is that? So number of particles given. Number of particles they have given by Avogadro's number of particles. We know that is fixed. What is that? Is n is equal to n by n naught. So they will give particles, and we know the Avogadro's number of particles, that is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Then we can find the number of moles of particles. See the question? That one I have said is mass. This one is number of particles, number of moles present in the particles. Okay, that we will see now. So what is the formula? Number of moles equal to given particles by Avogadro's number of particles. Avogadro's constant is 6. Always it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this formula you should know. Okay. Okay. But if they have given the number of molecules and we know the Avogadro's number, if they ask the number of particles, then what we have to do? Just n into n naught. If they ask the particles, but if they have given the number of moles, this is the formula. So only 4 formulas we have seen today. What are they? N equal to m by m, small m by capital M, and then small m is equal to n into capital M. The next one is n is equal to n by n naught. Okay, and n is this is capital N is equal to, this is number of particles, this is number of moles, this is Avogadro's number. If they ask number of particles that the moles are given, then n into n naught. Okay, first these 4 formulas to get. Okay, what are the 4 formulas we have seen now? One is number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. If they ask the mass of the substance, if they given this mole and molar mass, you have to find it. This is one formula. Third one what we have seen, n equal to n by n naught. This is number of moles, this is the particles given, and this is Avogadro's. If they ask number of particles, this is 4th formula, that is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. Okay, these are the 4 formulas we should know. Okay, what are the 4 formulas? These are the 4 formulas to solve the problem. Okay, are you all clear? Yes. First, if you do the problem, you will understand. So these are the 4 formulas first you should know. For today's thing, we can know it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to solve the example problem 3.3. In that first problem, they have asked calculate the number of moles for the following. Okay, first they have given 52 grams. This is called given mass. First 3.3. Okay, example problem. First one. Okay, they have given, what they have given? 52 grams. So given mass. What is that? Given mass is equal to, that is what? Small m. What is what? Small m. That is equal to what? 52 gram. Okay. And they have given a clue. I told you no molar mass, we have to find it. They have given helium. They have given helium. Okay. The molar mass. You should know this one. Molar mass at F. Helium atom. Because it is only is just a monoatomic. Okay, the mass is always helium will have 2 4. This is the atomic mass. So that is 4 gram. What is that? Helium atom's mass, atomic mass is 4. Okay, you should know it. So they have given that what is this then? It is molar mass. This is molar mass of an atom. I told you no. Molar mass can be an atom or it can be a molecular mass. That is molecule or it can be an ionic mass. So now M is what? Helium. Helium atom is always 1 and the molar mass is 4. Okay? Yes. So if you know this too, what is the formula? What we have to find? To find what? N is equal to 1. Okay? Have you all noted down? So given mass is M equal to 52 grams. It is given in the question. And molar mass of helium atom, it is monoatomic and its atomic mass is 4 gram. It is fixed. Okay, like hydrogen 1 we have written like the same. Helium mass is 4. Then you have to find what? Small n. Number of moles of helium atom we have to find it. N equal to question mark. Then let me go to the next one. Yes. Okay. Now what is the formula? Formula to find the n. Now it is given mass, no? So n is equal to number of moles of, you can write number of, you can write it as capital letter or small letter. Okay, number of moles of helium atom. Why? It is monoatomic, comma, n is equal to given mass by molar mass. Given mass by molar mass. This is the formula. Okay, let us apply in this. Yes, we have written no. N is equal to what? This is the formula. N is equal to M. And then that is equal to 52 grams by molar mass is 4 grams. Okay. How can you divide it? 52 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4. Remainder 1, 2, 3 4s are 12. Okay. So 13 is the answer. So n is equal to 13. So what is the answer? Number of moles equal to 13. How can you write? Okay. What is the question as? Answer 52 gram of helium, okay, contains okay 13 moles. Okay. How many moles are there in this 52 gram? There are 13 moles are there. Okay, we have found it. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next one. Are you all clear? This is the thing. Just easy now. I guess you can understand it. Okay. So given masses, what they have given, molar masses, that helium weight, atomic mass, that we have divided, we have found the number of moles. It is easy. Yes, it will be easy to find it. Okay, if it is given like this. Okay. Shall we go for the next second problem? Let us see the 3.3. Okay, first one, second problem. You are going to see the second problem. Here they have given number of particles. You see 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 number of helium atoms. Okay. Finding mole from number of particles. Particles means what formula we should choose? First, what is given? This is a solution I am doing. Okay. Finding the solution for that. Given. What is given? Number of particles is given. They have given the it is N naught, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. Am I right? Yes, you have seen the formula now. This is given number of particles. Always a substance, okay, it may be an atom or a molecule, it will have always what? This constant number of atoms. Okay, these many atoms will be present in 1 mole of helium atom. So we know N and N naught is given. What do you have to find? What do you have to find? N. Okay, N you have to find it. Okay, have you all noted down? So the given number of particles is this N, and Avogadro's is N naught. You have to find the small n number of moles. Let us find it. Yes. Okay. Next, what you are going to do is, next one is formula. What is the formula we should apply? N is equal to N by N naught. Am I right? Because this particles, number of particles, now we should use this formula. Okay, just we can apply it. What is the N we have found? N is equal to, what is that? 12.044 into 10 power 23. Then N naught is what? 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, if you strike it, actually it is rightly you can strike it. Okay, it is 2 times. So N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. We found that. Okay, this is the solution. So now you should write 12.044 into 10 power 23. Okay, number of helium atoms. Okay, it contains okay 2 moles of substance, 2 moles of helium atom. That's all. This is the problem. Okay, let us see only this 2 now. Okay, what are the things we have seen? First we have seen that what is the formula. There are 4 formulas I have given you. N equal to m by given mass by molar mass. So number of moles small n is equal to given mass by molar mass. That is small n is equal to m by m. If they have given the number of moles and they have given the molar mass, then the mass we have to find it. Small m is equal to n into m. So number of moles into molar mass. That is the 2 formula. If it is particles, okay, what is the number of moles? Small n is equal to given particles n by capital N by Avogadro's constant 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So N naught. So small n is equal to n by n naught. That is number of particles. If they have given number of moles of the particle and Avogadro's constant we know, then if they ask the number of particles, capital N is equal to small n into n naught. These are the 4 formulas you should know. Then we have found the mass. Okay, using the mass we have found n is equal to small m by capital M, that is 13 moles. Then if it is particles, what formula we